What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Flower and today I'm going to be showing you my go-to makeup look, which is this fresh face type of situation. No eyeliner, no eyeshadow. It's going to take like 5 minutes to do. It's super simple, like honestly, truly honestly. Yeah, so if you are interested, please keep on watching. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to prep my skin by putting like a little bit of moisturizer on. And this is by Lancome. Yeah, because I need some type of hydration in my face. I'm gonna put a little bit of that little trick I showed you guys, the vitamin E, and just hydrate my lips too. Cause you don't want dry lips. Yeah, feel me. That moisturizer kind of smells like, it smells strong. It kind of smells like grandmother's. So yeah, so this is my go-to glam situation. But before I get started, I'm going to be using some new products. I'm actually going to be putting on something. So I got a couple of products from Iris Beauty, and this right here is the Glam Gray Contacts. I'm gonna see what these look like, what these be like. Alright, so I also got some, like I said, those are Glam Gray Contacts. And then I received, I believe this is a eyeliner, but in blue, like a royal blue eyeliner. Okay, so can you guys see that? Heck yeah. So anyway, if you're interested in any of these products, I have a coupon code. It's Flower45 and you get some money off. Let's see what this looks like. The packaging is cute. Alright, so this is the eyebrow pencil. Kind of reminds me of my Wet n Wild one that I kind of fell in love with. Then it has a spoolie. Really nice. So I'm gonna use this today. So let's put on the contacts right now. Let's pray that this goes well. Which one is, are you gonna act right? Please? Please? Ah! Hell no, wait a minute. What is wrong with me? Okay, you guys, I got one in. Look how red my eye is. It's only red because, like, I guess I forgot how to put on freaking contacts or something. I'm drinking Big Red and water. I love Big Red. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. I know that's hella random, but Big Red and Big Blue are amazing. Alright. Alright. Ooh. Ooh, okay. I just don't know how to, like, get in there. Oh my god, look at that. Come on, light. Success. Yeah, apparently I just forgot how to put on contacts on at first, but now we rocking and rolling. And that gave us time to let the moisturizer and stuff settle in. Now it's time for the makeup tutorial, you know what I'm saying? Fresh, everyday, glowy makeup, you know what I'm saying? Real easy, you know what I'm saying? You know. These are super cool. It's funny because my baby sister, when she was born, her eyes were gray, and now they're like a light hazel greenish brown now. But her eyes were gray like this when she was like, until she was like 1. And I just got your regular old-fashioned brown eyes. I love my brown eyes though. Shout out to all the brown eye beauties out there. I see you. I see us. Alright, so let's prime my face. I'm going to be using the Hard Candy Stick It to Pores primer. I have been in love with this primer if you don't know already. And this mug is like between $4 to $6, but I think it's like $4. So I'm gonna put this everywhere, and I put it on my brows because sometimes my brows get oily and I don't like them looking greasy. So I'm gonna be using the Iris Beauty Perfecting Eyebrow Brush. And what shade exactly is this? This is the, it doesn't say, it just has a color. Okay, I know it says on the website, but it's a pretty cool tone dark brown. So let's just brush out the brows and let's just fill in the eyebrows really quick. Alright! I like this. I like the color. It's very natural. Like this matches, like I like it. Because it's not too dark and it's not too cool tone. Alright, now I'm going to be taking my MAC concealer, Studio Finish Concealer in W35 and a flat synthetic brush. And I'm just going to be cleaning up the brows. Next is foundation, because normally with this look I don't wear eyeshadow nor eyeliner. So next we're going to be doing our foundation, and I'm about to be extra, and I'm going to be mixing my J Manual Deep Filter 2 foundation and my Maybelline Super Stay, but this is in the shade Warm Sun. Now you could just use your shade, mine is Coconut in the Super Stay, and just wear that, but I just like to mix these two, and this is what I normally do. So I'll put them on the back of my hand like this. That was not a good idea because I had that blue eyeliner. Okay, oh well. Alright, and take a beauty blender, and I kind of just mixed it together with the beauty blender, and then I'm just going to apply it. How are you guys doing? What's up with y'all? Feel free to leave comments. I mean, I don't bite. I respond back. You know, I'm nice. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. And you're just gonna keep blending, okay? You're gonna keep freaking blending until you like the coverage. I have to cover up all these acne scars until they go away by themselves. So I just want to make sure everything is like nice and even. You feel me? Okay, once that's done, I'm going to be contouring. So I'm going to be taking my Black Opal foundation stick in Suede Mocha. I should know this name by now. And I'm just going to take the beauty blender and kind of just smush it around on there like that, and then do my contour like ever so lightly. I just feel like this is like the most subtle way to do it. Alright, make sure to get this double chin. It's been going down since it's been going down since I've been working out. But I just naturally have a fat face, so like a round face. My face is just naturally round and my cheeks are just here. I don't know. Alright, so I'm going to concealer. I'm going to take that MAC concealer and just go again with my beauty blender. This is why it's so dirty, because I use it for everything. And then I'm just going to lightly conceal under my eyes with that shade, which is NW35, just in case you forgot. Spotlight. See, there you go. That's on the second my head. Do like anybody like I don't know why I was like folding up like an old person like that, trying to put on my makeup. Alright, so I'm going to conceal underneath the contour just ever so slightly. See? Lighting. Y'all, get your act together. Get your act together. Alright, so after I've done that, I'm going to be taking my Fit Me loose finishing powder, and I like to set under the eyes and stuff with this. The shade is light medium. I'm gonna take the same beauty blender. Let me probably like that. Dang. And I'm just going to lightly, not lightly, but don't use a lot of powder for this because you really don't need a lot. And just make sure you spread out the product. That's what works best for me. Just like that. And a little bit on the chin. Because you really don't need a lot of product. I'm going to put a little bit on my lid. And then put some right here. And then a little bit on the forehead. A little tiny bit. And then a little bit underneath the contour. Alright, next it's time for bronzing. So I found my bronzing powder, the perfect powder, and it's been here all along. Well, not been here, but this is like an Old Faithful of MAC's. This is called MAC Bronze. It looks just like this, and this mess is amazing. It's the perfect shade. You're not gonna look muddy. You're gonna have the perfect contour. It's not gonna look harsh. And yeah, this bronzer is perfect. So next thing I'm going to be doing is taking my Studio Fix powder in the shade C8 eye pit pan. I'm just going to be taking a regular fluffy brush, and then I'm just going to brush away where we set. Oh, where we set. Goodness. Not where we set. Where we set. And this just adds like a little bit more coverage. You don't have to do this part. You can just normally just brush it away. But this is what I do. Yeah. Next is time for the glow. I'm going to be using Iconic London Illuminator in the shade Glow. Have you guys saw my tooth gem? It's hella cool. I think I'm gonna get one. My lips are stained. I think I'm gonna get one on this side too, because I think I want to. But yeah, diamonds in my mouth, diamonds in my grill. It's hella cool. I like it. But yeah, I think I want to get one on the other side. Anyway, let's glow this face. So I like to apply this not underneath my foundation, but on top of the foundation and the powder. I feel like it gives me the look that I actually want, rather than using it under the foundation, because then I just don't like it. God dang, I caught a cramp in my hand. Alright, so I'm just going to take it on the same beauty blender, and I'm just going to lightly dab it on the tops of my cheekbones and kind of up to the temple. You know, like where you naturally show your glow. You just want to lightly place it so it can melt in the skin and look hella natural. I hate when my pinky does that. That annoys me so much. Not annoys me, but when I realize it, I just don't like it. Is anybody else like that, or am I just odd? Okay, and then I'm gonna place it like on my nose, you know, give the Rudolph effect right here above the Cupid's bow, right there, just in the center right there. Alright, so just to add a little bit more extra glow, I'm going to be taking my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Conceited. And I'm going to be taking my Morphe brush, the Morphe M500 brush. And it looks like this. And I'm just going to take whatever is in the top. Yeah. And I'm just going to lightly dust this brush in here. And then just place it right above you, right on top of the Illuminator. with like the lightest freaking hand. Next, I'm going to be prepping my eyelashes. I'm going to be using this Lancome. This is actually like a sample size of, what is this called? The color is big as the new black, or as big as the new black mascara. I don't know. I really like this, so I'm going to have to buy like the full tube, because this is a very dramatic mascara, and it makes me look like I have some lashes. So really I can just wear this without putting on lashes, but I'm gonna add some lashes because I really don't have a lot of lash to work with. Normally all my lashes look the same anyway, so I'm gonna be using like this mink pair, just light and fluffy. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit of blush. I'm gonna be using Eternal Sun by MAC. And I'm just gonna be using Fluffy brush. This is like the same thing. Just adding like a little bit of color to the cheeks. Alright, now that dried a little bit, let's spray that Fix Plus. Why does it sound like that? And this is where everything meshes together. And that's it. That's all I do. Just mascara, lashes, a little glow, a little blush, and some foundation, and a little bit of bronzer. That's it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys, new and old. Like, you guys mean so much to me, that you guys support what I do and like what I put out, my content and everything like that. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It is highly appreciated. And if you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the garden on today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.